What a pleasure, right? You see the market and you see a lovely lady here. Watching your watching your videos. How nice.
Yeah.
So,
I come from Tahiti.
Tahiti?
Watch
Oh, you watch your videos too?
Hiroyuki, huh?
Yes.
Wow. Are you local in San Jose?
My always.
Miami.
No way.
We're just here shopping for a party tonight. Yeah.
You guys get some sashimi?
No, not sashimi. We have some other stuff that we're getting.
In his house.
Wow, no way.
Yeah. You'll be on camera?
Sunday.
Are you live?
No, not live, but it'll be. Yeah. Thank you so much.
No, hey, I appreciate you guys' channel.
Yeah,
I learned a lot
thank
from you guys.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Hiro-san, what else do we need?
Okay, that's it.
That's it? Okay. Go. And check this out. Special delivery from Monterey Bay Seafood. Actually, it's Lusamerica. I saw from an earlier video. It's a lot of fish here, son. Oh, it's probably mostly ice. All right, perfect. Do you need anything signed or anything?
No, we're good.
No? Okay, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Have a great weekend.
You too.
Thank you, thank you. Frozen tuna, sake bar.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. You want more?
No, okay.
We're now gotta find this place to put all this stuff.
No.
It's like opening. Yeah, exactly. I was gonna say it's like Christmas Day.
Merry Christmas.
Hero, don't say Isaac never gave you anything.
Is that right?
Yeah, little mini salmon and then more like a
Black cod.
yeah, more coated, yeah.
Oh wow. Food for days, Isaac.
You better stay longer.
Yeah, Hero, I think we need to change our plans.
I think a week more.
A week more, right?
Okay, so this is more salmon. All right, good.
Chef Randall. These are tri-tips?
Tri-tips.
All right. What's the secret here? How long do you put it in for?
When the temperature says ready.
Okay.
First, I got the step side down.
Okay.
Get it nice and brown.
Wow, look at this finished product. That looks amazing. I hear something familiar, Hero. Sounds like your voice and my voice. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, here at Isaac's, middle of the sushi party. Because you're a friend of Randall, it's only $5 for the picture. So your son watches the channel? Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, that's great, Hiro. Thank you so much.
And this is diamond. This is diamond sharpening steel. This is diamond sharpening steel. This knife is not available in any retail store. Look at that. Look at this. Oh wow. Pick it up and feel it. It's very, very light and very well balanced. When you pick it up like that, it's very well balanced.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, and this is. Now we're taking picture with the star. A typical knife, you cannot do this. Look at this. Yes. Very. A chef would appreciate this knife. And then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look. Wow. This is my special gift for you.
Oh,
You
very
have right
nice.
here a corn.
Corn, give him
You
corn.
corn, give me corn. Yes. This is diamond. So when you sharpen it, you're not just honing the knife, you're actually sharpening the knife and honing the knife at the same time. A corn for a knife. See? Wow.
All right. Now it's official.
I have another coin, chef. I have another coin.
$39.99.
Oh, hold on a second.
Okay, now that was Hiro.
Okay, with Hiro.
Oh, with you, Isaac, the host of the house.
Here, hold up. You want to hold the book?
Host of the house.
Now you can hold on. This is for you.
Camera 1.
1, 2, 3.
2.
That's a gift.
Shove here. The one and only. A master of his craft. The true professional. Martin Yan.
Wow. Thank you so much. Wow, how nice.
To the most beautiful girl. That's what she wants. To the most beautiful girl.
First name?
Jane.
J-A-N.
J-A-N-E.
Jane. The plain Jane.
No.
A fabulous Jane. And a talented, amazing Jane.
Okay. I'm gonna speak now.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
This book is very unique. This book has not only recipe but stories, because I travel all over to do this. So each recipe, we talk about the different regional cooking, and I travel to all of these regions. You see, this is the Peking duck delivery, and then this is home kitchen. And we eat with the local people. So each recipe has a story. These are recipe here. So this recipe will have a story. This recipe has a story. And each recipe has a story. Where I travel and all the things. So we were actually filming in Japan too. We filmed in Japan. We just finished filming in Korea. So our show is basically a a food and travel show. We travel all over, not just about food, about culture, heritage, and people.
They never attend parties, but I invite them. You guys are here and they come. I get the hint. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, nice, beautiful. Look at this. Chef Martin, we want you to have the first bite from here.
Work of art, masterpiece.
Hiro-san, the first bite from Master Jan. Incredible, huh?
The rice is perfectly cooked with a tinge of wonderful sweet rice vinegar. And the salmon roll gives the crunch, the burst in my mouth. You know what? It's so good. I want to have the whole thing by myself.
Chef Al Lam. Chef Al Lam just made barbecue oysters.
Oh, wow.
Al, get him. Chef.
I gotta wait for the score from the super.
Okay, explain what kind of seasoning you use and how long
You eat it first,
eat it first.
and you tell me.
Look at this, piping hot. It's gonna burn your lip. Be careful. It's very, very hot. It's grilled for. It is grilled oyster. Sometimes you can steam them, you can grill them, you can bake them, but grilling is probably the best.
This recipe is from a Michelin chef.
Michelin chef.
Okay, try that.
Al's the Michelin chef.
You know what? It's not overcooked. It's cooked properly.
Medium, yeah.
Perfectly seasoned. And I think this is a Michelin's 3-star quality.
All right.
Wow. Hiro-san, we finally have a
Chef
perfect
Hiro
use.
is preparing a special lunch for Chef Martin Yan. Look at that. But best quality seafood flown in all the way from Japan. And of all of these, you got tuna, you got poke tuna, you got salmon, you got hamachi, yellowtail, and then my favorite, uni, all the way from Japan.
Yes.
Look at that. And this is smaller, but rich and got wonderful texture. Sometimes some only in the West Coast here, it's really big. But they don't have the same texture, the same. So this is, we're tasting the best. Not just one piece, 4 pieces. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah.
Oh, sriracha bowl. And this is Sue's favorite, sriracha bowl.
Oh, lucky Sue.
Lucky Sue.
Look at that. And the green onion, thinly sliced. Give a little contrast of taste.
Enjoy,
Look at that.
Chef.
This is what Chef Hiro has come up for my July the 4th lunch.
Sushi 101.
Sushi 101, yes.
And when you're done with this, we have 50 more rolls for you to make. All right? No pressure.
We need it in an hour.
Less.
In an hour, yeah. Is that good enough?
Maybe fill the edges a little bit, the corners. Yeah, you
Okay.
can just shift it around.
Okay. All right.
All right.
this.
Oh, you've been watching these videos, I know.
Okay, I'll do salmon.
Okay.
Is that good enough?
It's up to you. What do you like?
That's good enough.
Oh, she's been watching. I'm telling you, Hero.
This is the hard part.
You got it. You got it.
Okay, you got the motion? Wow, okay, good. Success.
Yay!
80% of the work has been done.
80%?
Yes.
Oh, I have to cut it, huh? I have to finish cutting. How about we do a one cut? This one. This knife?
Oh, look, she knows, Hero. Yeah, she's been practicing.
Yeah, you like.
I did it before.
Oh, samurai.
Right. And then.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. Okay, Hero. Well, you can take a break now, Hero.
I'm gonna put it more.
Okay.